Hi boys, we are going to do day 2 of reading today, and we are going to start in your blue decoding book. So if you want to get your blue decoding book out and open, you can go ahead and do that. And we are on decoding day 2 in your blue book, and that is on page 2. So it should look like this. And if you don't want to do it in the book, you can always follow along on the screen with me too. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is our sound and word review. So I have my sound and word review cards here with you. And so if you could read the sound or word, and then I will read it after you. The first sound is glue, I, boy, I'm, girl, cat, dog, paper, crayons. What sound? Ah. What sound? Ah. What picture? Pig, ant, C, scissors. Good job. Next, we're going to do, let me show you my screen here. Hold on. Okay, so now you can see my screen. And so you can see on decoding day 2, we did the sound review. And now you can just go ahead and touch the screen with your finger. And we're going to review a beginning sound. So I would like for you to trace this lowercase letter S. What sound does the S make again? S. Go ahead and trace the lowercase letter S. Okay, and now there's two pictures here. There's sun and there's snake. And both sun and snake both start with the letter S and the sound S, S, sun, snake. Okay? Next, we're going to do stretch and shrink. So if you have your stretching tool, you can get it ready. And if not, then you'll just use your finger for this one. And the first word is I'm. I'm here to learn. I'm. Do it with me. I'm. Okay, your turn. Good. And the next word is mad. Watch me. Mad. Do it with me. Mad. Your turn. Good. And the last one is Sam. The boy's name is Sam. Watch me. Sam. Do it with me. Sam. Your turn. Good job. And back in our book again. We have, if you can find this, actually, you know what? We're going to do smooth and bumpy blending cards. I think we forgot. So I have my smooth and bumpy blending cards here. And you can see the picture here on this. So, as I was saying, I have my smooth and bumpy blending card here. And you can see there's Zoe the zebra in the car. And notice that Zoe the zebra's car has a flat tire. And when you have a flat tire, you go bump, bump, bump. So touch the first dot, bump. Touch the next dot, bump. And touch the next dot, bump. Let's try that again. If you have a flat tire, like Zoe the zebra, you go bump, bump, bump. And that's how you can read words. You can read them bumpy. But our goal is to read words smoothly. So here you have Zoe the zebra and he's on a glider. And when you are on a glider, you have smooth sailing. And so now we can read this smooth. Ready? Watch me do it smooth. Smooth. So here's bumpy, bump, bump, bump. And here's, oops, sorry about that. And here is smooth. It goes smooth. Okay? Next card, we have the word I. And we are going to practice reading the word I, both bumpy, because you can see that there's bumps under it. So when we read it bumpy, we read it like this. I, I, I. Read it bumpy with me. Put your finger on the first dot and let's read it bumpy. I, I. Your turn. Read the word bumpy. Good. And when we come down here, now we're going to practice reading the word I smooth. So watch me read the word I smooth. It goes like this. I. Read it smooth with me. I. Your turn to read it smooth. Good work. We have one more here that we're going to do. And it is our new sound. So we are going to practice reading our new sound. Whoopsie. Sorry about that. We are going to practice reading our new sound, bumpy and then smooth. So what sound is this again? Oh yeah. S. Listen to me read the S, bumpy. It goes like this. S, s, s. Read it with me. Read it bumpy. S, s, s. Now it's your turn. Read it bumpy. Good. Now we're going to practice reading the sound smooth. So listen to me read it smooth. S. Read it smooth with me. S. Sorry about that again. And let's read it smooth. Your turn. Good job reading it smooth, boys. The next activity that we're going to do here is we are going to do sound counting. So we're going to say the sounds and count the sounds in each word. So the first word is I'm. Let's say the sounds in I'm. I'm. Oops, let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay, let's count the sounds in I'm. I'm. How many sounds is that? Do that again. I'm. Two sounds. Okay, the next one is mad. Let's say the sounds in mad. Mad. Say the sounds again. Mad. How many sounds? 3 sounds. And the last one is Sam. Let's say the sounds in Sam. Sam. Say them again. Sam. How many sounds? 3 sounds. And we are going to read your new word here. Put your finger under the word. The word here is I. What word? Yes, I. Next, we're going to practice writing the capital letter I. So put your finger on the screen and we begin on the top line and we make a big line down. So it goes like this, big line down. and then we hop up to the top. We go little line across the top and little line across the bottom. Okay. Next, we're going to practice reading our sounds smooth. So here's how we read the smooth. Read it with me. Your turn. Read it smooth. Good. Next one. Listen. Read it smooth with me. Your turn. And the last one. Let's read it smooth together. And your turn. Good. Let's go down to the bottom. Put your finger under the first word. The first word is I. What word? The next word is I. What word? Next we have S. What sound? Next we have I. What word? And next we have the sound S. What sound? S. All right, let's go back and practice reading it again. Ready? The first one. I. The next one. I again. The next one. S. Read the next one. I. And the last one is S. And that completes our decoding day 2. We are going to get our storybook ready and we are going to read story 2. So I'll meet you on the next, if you click on the next link, and you can read the story along with me.